Welcome everyone, I'm Rose Oatley and today we're making pork tenderloin in the crock pot. Alright, so here I've got my crock pot and I also love using these Reynolds slow cooker liners because they make cleaning up so much easier. First we're going to make a sauce that's going to give lots of flavor to your pork tenderloin. We'll start with 1 teaspoon of sage and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to kind of help thicken the sauce a little bit. Now 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Sugar, sugar, dun, 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 oh honey, honey. Now I know I'll stop. For our wet ingredients, we're going to start with 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. Make sure it's low sodium. 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. Now 1/2 cup of water. A little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Now this is to your taste. With a whisk, I'm just going to mix this up really well. You want to make sure you scrape the bottom because the cornstarch will get stuck to the bottom. All right, let me go ahead and put my sauce aside for a minute. Here I've got my pork tenderloin and whoops, it's already dripping. All right, guys, this is about 2.4 pounds and I usually feed a family of 4. Sometimes I have leftovers. All right, so let's go ahead and just get this out of the package. I'm ready to put it in my crock pot. Now add your sauce right on top. Don't you just love making crock pot meals, especially on those really busy days? You leave the crock pot going all day, then by the time you come home, it's all nice and ready for you. All right, we're going to cook this on low heat for 8 hours. Now, sometimes I like to come back after 7 hours because depending on the size, it can be ready before then. All right, guys, I'm at about 45 minutes before my 8 hours. Let's go ahead and check on this. And it's looking really good. Let's take a look. This is a type of meat that will just fall apart, and you'll see in a minute. Today I'm serving it with mashed potatoes and veggies, but you can also serve it in a sub. They taste so good that way. All right, guys, I really hope you enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to give this a like and share with your friends. Thanks for your support. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos. And please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.